What's poppin', guys? It's your boy Magfire here, and it's Tony, and we're gonna be doing Airsoft Wars. It's gonna be like a 1v1. It's gonna be pretty flippin' lit, so yeah, let's get to it, man. The rules are, what's the rules?
Well, basic rules actually. We have boundaries. So,
Boundaries, yep.
Yep.
So
here's the realtors and here's the hotel. Can't cross any boundaries. You can use cover. Use the bang bang rule. And yeah, that's really about it.
Yep. Subscribe to it's Tony, link in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Leave a like and subscribe.
Alright, round. Oh, come on, dude. We haven't even started. I haven't even done the countdown. Alright, you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Got you.
Yeah.
How this is gonna work out, man. It'll like it for more time. We gotta throw that really quick.
Alright, round.
Get it tightened up, boys. Alright. Alright. Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Is he shooting?
Yeah.
Alright. Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco. Marco.
Polo.
Bro, I don't feel like I'm hitting anybody. I think I am. Alright, Marco.
Polo.
Oh, I hit you? Oh, I feel like I hit you. Alright. Marco.
Polo.
I feel like you're like a crank or something or whatever. Alright, Marco.
Polo.
Shit. Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Shit. Marco.
Polo.
I'm not gonna shoot right now. Marco.